What's up? What? Can you say hi? What happened? How did you fall? Oh gosh. Why are you being so mean to Elmo? Jaden, go play with Shay. Get Shay. Look. Jaden. Shay's right here. She's right here. Go get her. Go get her. Go get her toy. Come on. She wants to play. Uh-oh. You're moving too fast. Are you bringing our other toy? That's nice. Get it, Jaden. Get it, Shay. Get it, Shay Shay. You guys are... You move. Jaden. Go get him. Don't be mean, Jaden. What are you doing? Get him, Shay. Get it, Shay. Get the toy. Jaden! You gotta be careful. What are you doing? Crazy. No, you don't need the remote. Leave it. You know, I can't keep up with your fast movement. Get Shay Shay. What are you doing? I don't think Shay wants to play with your skillet. Shay Shay, what are you getting? Shay Shay, get your toy. Yay, you did nice. Yay. Oh my god. Are you doing your spins now? You move way too fast, little boy. Jaden, say hi. Say hi. You got your vroom vroom? Say vroom. Vroom. Did you just burp, Piglet? I heard you. Jaden, that's not nice. No, we don't hit Shay Shay. We do nice, right? Are we going to put on Yo Gabba Gabba? Say Yo Gabba Gabba. What are you doing? I don't want to see the back of your head. It's cute, but I don't want to see it. Say hi. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get her, Jaden. What? Ma? Can you say mama? Mama? No? Jaden, you want to go to gym class tomorrow? Are we going to go to gym? Say yes.
Mama, Mama.
Jaden, say mama. Oh, your music guitar. Say, whoa, that's cool. What happened to Shay Shay? Shay Shay, what happened? Did he stop playing with you? It wasn't nice. Give me 5. Give me 5. Mommy 5. Very nice girl. You're a good girl. I don't want your toy though. Maybe Jaden will play. Nope, I don't think he wants to play anymore either. Oh. You give Shay Shay her frog? Give it to Shay. Yeah. Oh, that's so nice. Shay, gotta put that one down. You guys are crazy. Shay, leave him alone. JJ, JJ, JJ. What are you doing? Careful, you're gonna fall. Jaden, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye to the camera. Look. Say bye. Yeah. Say bye. You tell mommy bye-bye? No, you're just gonna play with Shay? Say bye. Shay, can you say bye? Say. Shay, do begging. Say beg. Oh, good girl. That's so nice. You bye. It's my boo. What are you trying to give her? Give me. Give mommy. Give me. Thank you. That's what that was. Your guitar cries if you don't play with it. Oh, you saying bye now? Thank you. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay. Shay, don't jump on him. You guys are crazy. Yeah. You look like you want to get into some trouble. Oh, you're coming this way. What did you get? Your balloon? Is that your birthday balloon? Where do you find stuff?